I've taken this sound hole clamp and cut it in half so that it'll fit inside the hole here, because it will not fit inside the hole with the two pieces together. So I've made a bracket, and there's a hole in one side. And I'm going to use this side, attach it midway to the cleat assembly, magnetized cleat assembly. And then that's going to go in. I can do a little dry run right now. That goes in like this. And I can spin it around, and I can take it down, and I take the other half of the magnetic clamp assembly and I can put this up, and I can spin this in there, and it works pretty darn good. And now I'm close to the clamp, and I'll be able to move this over, maneuver this over, and line it up and pull it back tight against the block. And then this part of the clamp I can assemble here, and I can put it down on the clamp, on the magnet, and it lines everything up really nicely. And I take my screw, put it in the hole, screwdriver, and I push it through the hole, and I've got my clamp assembly ready to go. I can contact this point here, and I will tighten the clamp. Like so. And it's in the midpoint of the other clamp. Like so. That's pretty darn even. So that is the plan. And now we'll put it into practice. We're going to back the screw back out. And we'll be able to take this unit out. Or we can leave it if necessary as well. At any rate, we will be able to maneuver this, as you can see. Right now I'm going to drop it out and pull it out. Like so. So that is how I plan to do that. And now let's get started. I'll use this tool again that I use the naphtha for. I'll wrap it in tape and I'll put the glue on that to apply the glue to the bottom side of this. I'm going to be reusing Tight Bond liquid hide glue because it gives me the longest working time and it works really well with the cleats. It gives me a longer working time than the Tight Bond original. So that's the glue I'm going to use. Okay, here we go. Woo! For now, and hopefully line it up really well on the clamp. Okay, here we go. Get up to the middle, bring it back. There, better position on the clamp. Ease that back over the butt end again there a little bit. I'm liking it. Now we can go like so and then drop the clamp down on it like that. Line the holes up, put my gizmo in. There. Tighten this down. There we go. Tricky little fix. My cracks are even. Whew! And I should be able to clean up that interior goop. So that should work quite well. So I'm going to loosen this up. I'm going to take this off and I'm going to put some glue in here in the crack. Force that in. That's working. Get a little more glue there. Okay. Wipe off the excess. Get this right. Like we had it. Back down. Tight there, tight there. Seems to be pretty even. I like it. A little more cleanup. And that's looking pretty darn good. Okay, we'll let that sit overnight and come back in the morning and see how we did.